Welcome back to Divine Times 2. Hope you're doing well. Today I am in the kitchen baking rose and almond love cakes. These cakes have a rose and almond flavor to them, very subtle, but they turn out so delicious and tender. Lots of butter in them. They go great with tea or coffee. They also have a rose and almond sweetened glaze on top that gives it the perfect touch. These cakes are wonderful, and not only that, but they're heart-shaped. So adorable. I'm excited to show you how I make these beautiful and delicious rose and almond love cakes. So join me in the kitchen and let's get started. To a mixing bowl of an electric mixer, add 2 sticks of room temperature butter. Add 3 cups of sugar. Using a paddle attachment, cream butter and sugar until light and creamy. While the butter and sugar are mixing, in a large bowl, add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and ½ teaspoon baking soda. Use a whisk to incorporate the ingredients. In a measuring cup, add 6 eggs. Now that the sugar and butter are light and fluffy, add 1 cup of sour cream. Mix until well combined. To flavor the cakes, I am using rose water. This is the one I'm using and it's very good. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of the rose water. To the rose water, add ½ teaspoon almond extract and mix. Now let's add the flour and eggs to the creamed mixture. Alternate the flour and then 1 egg at a time, beating after each addition. When the flour is mixed in, add 1 egg. When you see the egg mixed in, add some flour, then repeat until you have no more eggs or flour. Now it would be a good time to preheat your oven at 325 degrees. Add the rose water and almond extract and stir until combined. I have these silicone heart-shaped molds. I got them at Walmart. I also saw them in Amazon, but the price was a little higher at Amazon than at Walmart. I like these molds. Food is easy to take out and they are easy to clean. I'm using a 1/4 cup ice cream scoop. I find that it's the perfect amount for these molds. Now that the cake batter is ready, let's begin filling up each mold. This batter smells so good and it's so light and fluffy. I move the mold around a bit so that the batter can evenly distribute as best as possible. Place the molds on a cookie sheet. You can place them on a cookie sheet before or after you add the batter to them. They are ready to go into a 325-degree oven for 30 minutes. While the cakes are baking, let's make the sweet glaze. In a medium bowl, sift 2 cups of confectioner's sugar. This will take out any lumps the sugar might have. Let's give flavor to the sweet glaze. To the sugar, add half teaspoon almond extract and 3 tablespoons of rose water. Mix well. If you find your glaze is too thick, add a little rose water and mix. Before turning over cakes, let them stand for 1 minute. Then turn over onto a cooling rack. Let them completely cool before glazing. Now that the cakes have cooled, let's glaze them. Let's also sprinkle almond slices on top to give it that beautiful touch. I am going to enjoy these cakes with a fresh, hot cup of coffee. Look at how tender the cakes turn out. They are so scrumptious. This recipe makes 25 to 30 cakes. If you don't want to make that much, then divide the ingredients. Well guys, I hope you make these delicious rose and almond love cakes. They were so much fun to make and to glaze and sprinkle those almond slices on top. They turned out so delicious. Hope you give them a try. You are going to love them. Well guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done so already so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. To comment down below, we love to hear from you. Have a fantastic day. Remember to be kind, positive, and divine. See you next time. Love you guys. Bye.